If you're a male with erectile dysfunction, your quality of life inevitably suffers. Poor blood flow is the main cause of ED, along with buildup of microplaque. Age is another factor because testosterone greatly declines as males get older. Depression, high cholesterol, Peyronie's disease, heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and certain prescription meds are also contributory factors to ED. PDE5 inhibitors can help, but pharmaceuticals are not for everyone as they can cause some unpleasant side effects. And men with certain medical conditions should avoid these drugs altogether. Thankfully, there is a solution with no known side effects called GAINSWave. This treatment uses high-frequency, low-intensity sound waves to increase blood flow to the penis, activating cell and tissue repair. Clinically proven, quick in-office treatment, non-invasive, pain-free, simple. And GAINSWave isn't just for those with ED. Younger men have started treatments to optimize their performance and keep things running in top shape. Patients after treatments have enjoyed increased ability to maintain erections, more intense orgasms, closer relationships with their partners, increased confidence and vitality, and an overall enhanced sex life. We've treated more than 50,000 patients with over 75% success rate and been featured in top media outlets like Men's Health, ABC News, The Doctor Show, Bulletproof Radio, and many others. To learn more, visit us.
Is a little trouble in the bedroom making you feel less of a man? That lack of self-confidence can impact a lot more than your love life. As you get older, your sexual performance decreases because the blood vessels that supply blood to your penis begin to collapse or break down. The GAINSWave is a remarkable, non-invasive, drug-free treatment that restores blood flow to the penis by stimulating the growth of new blood vessels. By applying focused pulses of energy to erectile tissue, it then triggers a response that wakes up dormant stem cells and growth factors in the penis. These growth factors stimulate the creation of new blood vessels, remove vascular plaque, and rejuvenates erectile tissue. Men's Health magazine recently called this revolutionary treatment the new Viagra. The Urology Times published a study saying, treatment success seen even in men who would not respond to the most common oral ED medications. And even the prestigious National Institutes of Health found that the treatment works on men who've previously failed to respond to PDE5 inhibitors like Viagra and Cialis.
I didn't have a problem getting an erection, but they weren't as strong and they weren't as intense as they are now. So after the GAINSWave, I noticed a firmer and fuller penis, and the erections were much harder and much stronger.
I've seen a larger penis, I've seen more blood, I've seen more stronger erections, I've seen more sensitivity.
Is drug and surgery free, is completely non-invasive, and has little or no known side effects. Is a simple in-office procedure with each treatment taking only 20 to 30 minutes. Provides long-lasting results with little or no downtime. Don't sit there and think you have to accept a less than satisfactory love life. Wave goodbye to trouble in the bedroom with GAINSWave. Contact us today.
My name is Bill. I'm 64 years old. I'm retired from New York City Fire Department. I was losing the capability to remain hard trying to have intercourse with my wife. The want was there, it's just that it was never hard enough to get penetration. You try things that are advertised and you send away for things and nothing seemed to work. And you go to the doctor's office and they'll offer you Viagra and stuff, but as much as that costs, and it's only a one-time, gain.
We just were exhausted, mentally, physically, emotionally, and it's sort of given us a new lease on life. We still sort of feel like we're on our honeymoon. After our first time here, whoa, it was a great night. One treatment, and it was great. I would have loved him no matter what, but it's been a benefit for us. I would try it. I think it's worth every penny.
My name is Stormy Rayboyd. I'm a teacher in a Dade County school system. I suffered from ED for 7 years. It was very severe. I suffered a bike accident and went through 5 surgeries, and the medications, the anesthesia, the pain pills, all the stuff they give you just destroys your libido. It destroys your ability to be intimate with a woman. I had tried all the pills and potions and nothing worked. After 7 years of suffering with ED, I discovered quite by accident the shockwaves therapy on the internet. Right after the first treatment, I was engorged. I could see I was bigger. After the 5th treatment, I started to get spontaneous erections. So I'm looking forward to that healing process and then going at it again. And I'm looking forward to never going back to the pills and potions. The long-term health consequences of those things are very serious. There is no side effects to the GAINSWave therapy. There's no side effects. There's no deleterious effects. There's no downside here. Life is short, and we want to be happy. We want to be healthy. And we certainly want to not only be pleased, but please others.
I'm Carl Sechin. I'm 63 years old, and I'm a professor at the University of Texas at Dallas. Before I used or had the GAINSWave treatment, I had lots of difficulties in getting good erections, and particularly in maintaining them, and had a lot of sensitivity issues as well. Well, I certainly tried the, Viagra and Cialis, and those helped a little. I started the GAINSWave therapy in May of 2016. After the first sessions, I noticed right away a definite improvement, and then about 3 months later, I had another round of 3 GAINSWave treatments, and that just went through the roof. My sensitivity was dramatically higher compared to before. The maintainability was greatly improved, and just the degree of sensitivity you feel is way higher. I certainly feel more confident about everything with your significant other, and so things really dramatically changed with using GAINSWave. Now I have a sex life with GAINSWave that goes beyond what I had in my 20s, so it's been just amazing. It is really quite convenient. It is not painful at all if you follow the procedure. It's non-invasive, just very, very easy, and the results are amazing. Well, I think anyone that doesn't have close to the ultimate in sensitivity and maintainability of erections, this is really the solution. GAINSWave is literally the solution.
Hi, I'm Michael Jordan, and I'm 32 years old. So before I started GAINSWave, I had been taking Cialis to relieve some of the issues that I was dealing with. Cialis is, number one, expensive. It's almost $60-something per pill. When it comes to having a sexual encounter, you can't spill out $60-something every single time and then plan for it, which is not something people do. That's not the real world. You don't know an hour before if you should take the pill, and if nothing happens, now you've thrown your money away. The things I was doing before GAINSWave were Band-Aids, and those Band-Aids kept falling off, and that's all it is. GAINSWave is, as far as I'm concerned, a way more permanent patch. I wouldn't say it was one moment that really clicked for me with GAINSWave. It's all the moments. It's every moment you would normally not have to think about getting an erection or maintaining it. It just happens, and that's what GAINSWave has been for me. It's not a eureka. It's, whoa, it's been 2 weeks and I haven't had to take a Cialis. That's what it's been for me.